Alright guys, we're going to finish the last activity, which is text functions. So you see here I had the project text function student file open. So make sure you open your text function student file. And then once you have the workbook open, you're going to go ahead and save it as your name and then text functions. So go ahead and save it. This activity is pretty easy to do. It shouldn't take us 2, 3, 4 minutes to complete it. So I'm going to jump right in. So number 3 says in cell A2, enter a formula which enters the first 3 characters of the account name found in D2. So we want ABS to show up. So notice here left, mid, right, and proper. So those are the function names. So I'm just going to type in left, parentheses, D2. And then they want the first 3 characters. So 3, enter. And see it's done it. And then we're just going to use our field handle to copy it down to the other ones. So notice you have LAS for laser, ION for ionic, INT for Intech, INF for infinity, so on and so on. So you have the first 3 letters. And then the next one tells us to, using the formula created in cell B2, enter a formula which enters the 4 characters beginning with the second character. And this is your second character, B, S, O. And if I wanted to use the formulas, I would go to Formulas tab and Text, and there's Mid. D2, and the start number they want us to use is the second character, and then they want 4 characters to be returned. Click OK. Here we are, BSOL in the middle, so to speak. To use the field handle, click on the formula we just did, and there you go. And next, it tells us in C2, enter a formula which enters the last 5 characters. So the first characters were left, so the last 5 characters are going to be right of the account name found in cell D2. And of course they say they want the the last 5 characters. And there they are, create. Copy your formula down. There we go. And last, for E2, enter a formula which will change the capitalization of the value in cell D3 to have the first letter of each word capitalized and the other letters lowercase, which is what we call title case. And our formula, of course, is going to be proper. So you see proper is there, but because the formula is so short, I'm going to just type it in, proper, in parentheses, D2. So you see it changes it from all caps to title case, and copy that down. And that completes text functions activity. Thank you. And so now you will upload the 4 files from Unit 6. Do not worry about uploading Unit 5 pivot tables and pivot charts yet. I'm waiting to hear from ICEV. So just upload the 4 files from Unit 6 and submit it for your grade.